Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, July 11th. Let's start with that Nasdaq market, and what we see here is what we are looking for, and that is yesterday I mentioned we want to see unchanged to higher. However, it may stumble at these critical levels that we're now approaching. But what are we looking for? We are looking for follow through to the upside today, continuation of this buying action. When it comes to the currencies, we also see these currencies firmed, some of them firmed up. If you look at the euro, for example, we traded above this bullish level, and the difference between that bearish level and this bullish level in that particular market is 248 ticks times $12.50, and the value would be $3,100 would be the magnitude change for that size of move. And again, I'm not suggesting you would get that, but just to give you an idea. In the Swissy, this difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is 252 ticks, and down here in our friend the British pound, the difference here between that bearish level and bullish level in the British pound is 465 ticks. Well, what are we looking for? Can these currencies maintain this bullish action that we're seeing here? Well, we see some selling at the end, and the issue for us is to get some confidence in terms of follow through. Asia opens stronger. What Europe does is going to be critical. If we take a look at the interest rate markets, even in the 10-year interest rate notes, we see the market firmed up a bit. More than I expected. I'm looking for this to slow down. We're still seeing buying action coming into this market right now, and a sign of strength, but I'm looking for that to cool off a little bit. But we got to be cautious here too, as some of the doubt is out there in terms of monetary policy. If we look at the metals, precious metals, gold made new highs, but again we're finding consistent behavior here. The ability for it to maintain this momentum I find really interesting. Nothing telling us to be a seller here, but I would be cautious. And when it comes to the energy markets, we're finding buyers coming back in to support the crude oil as the unrest continues in Egypt, and natural gas, we're seeing a market rally, but also on weakness as well too. But if we continue on and we look at the grain markets, we can see in soybeans it traded below this bearish level, and the difference between the bullish level and bearish level there in that market is $2.22. Each full penny is $50. So that would have a monetary value of $11,100 per contract. And again, I'm not suggesting that you would get that, but to give you a feel for what that change represents. Over here in our friend Mr. Wheat, the market traded below that bearish level, and the difference between the bullish level and bearish level here is 15 cents. So that'd be 15 times 50 or $750 per contract. But these grains, we're looking for a struggle to begin, especially in soybeans. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.